Well, it's February, and I'm only just now getting around to the Halloween Burly Bundle. What they say, I will keep Halloween in my heart and honor it in the past, the present, and the future. This month's bundle was for a pair of pasties that are shaped like spider webs. I don't do a ton of spooky Halloweenish acts, but I love Halloween, and I just thought they were really cute, so I wanted the option. Bundle is a kit that includes everything you need: the base for the pasties, the rhinestones, gems, glue, all the tools, and of course instructions. The webs themselves look pretty cool, but what I think is really special and neat about this particular set is they come with their very own little spiders to attach. And I guess since this one has red on it, it's a black widow. Ooh, scary. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more craft and costume related content. And until next Halloween, stay spooky.